Hey there, Justin Hamlin here over at Serra Toyota Birmingham. Quick walk around video on the 17 Toyota Camry. It's an XLE Hybrid. If you're looking for something in a good price range, excellent fuel economy, this one's for you. 42 on the highway, 38 in the city. This is a well-equipped vehicle. See here on the exterior, you've got your silver sky metallic paint. Upgraded alloy wheels on the vehicle. It's got your smart key system. Turn signal indicators on your side mirrors. On the interior for this one, you're going to have your full leather interior. This one's got the beige interior. Heated seats, backup camera, Bluetooth. Lots of perks you get from buying with us here over at Serra Toyota Birmingham. We offer complimentary, that's right, complimentary vehicle sanitization. No purchase required. In addition, we have the Serratoyota Platinum package that gives you some oil changes, tire rotation. Lots of nice perks as a Toyota customer over here at Serra Toyota. Quick shot of the interior here for you. Very, very nice. You got your dual power seats in the front. You got your heated seat switches right there. I'll show you here on the exterior as well. Got your rear vents. Really very nice vehicle for you. Give me a call back, Justin Hamlin, 205-394-6700. Ask them about our complimentary delivery service. Work a deal over the phone, get it delivered to your doorstep free of charge. Again, Justin Hamlin, Serra Toyota, 205-394-6700. Thank you.